What are the advantages of the employer if they will hire you?
Sir, Madam, if they will hire me, I'm hardworking and honest and loyal to my work.
Suppose the neighbor is on fire, what will you do?
The first, I call the fire station and inform my employer.
Since you are college level or graduate, can you tutor the children?
Sir, Madam, yes.
Are you now prepared to work with a Chinese family?
Sir, Madam, yes.
What is your last message to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, if you giving me a chance to work in your family, I do my duties and responsibility to serve your family. And I promise to finish my contract.
Thank you very much, Miss Lin, and hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.